Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Belated Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas and continued happy holidays. This video is going to be a what I got for Christmas video. I have stuff like all around me, so I am going to jump in. I think Christmas was very good this year. I am going to start off with the items that I got from coworkers. One coworker gave me a Christmas card and it had a $25 Macy's gift card in it. So thank her for that. The the next gift that I got is from the nurse that I work with in my department. And she got me the Swiss Miss Hot Cocoa Mix set, which I had been looking at a set like this one from, I think, Target, but Target had the little smaller sort of boxes that look like these. I had never seen them in tin cans, so I was like very super excited when she gave me this. More hot chocolate, and these things are reusable if you ask me. So I got that from my coworker. From the docs that I work with, I got some more hot chocolate, and I do not know how to pronounce that last name. Surlatab, I don't know how to pronounce that last name, but it is double dark hot chocolate. Very nice hot chocolate. And it is like this huge bag of hot chocolate inside of the canister. And then to go along with that, also from the same store, they gave me this cute like candy cane hot chocolate mug. That's what I'm going to use it for, my hot chocolate. And inside of it, of course, it had the 3 candy canes, and then it had like Hershey's Kisses in the bottom of it. I thought that was really cute as well. I think that is going to end what I got from coworkers. From my brother-in-law, we did this thing this year where we usually do it every year. We switch names and we set a limit like $25 for what we're going to buy for each other. And so my brother-in-law got my name and he picked me up. I can grab it. This Coca-Cola assorted glass collection with coasters and pretzels. And everybody in my family knows I'm like a Coca-Cola fanatic, so this was right up my alley, and I thought this was so cute when I got it. It has like 4 glasses, and they come from the different, I want to say, eras. The first one is like from the 1890s, and you have the classic one that I'm used to from the 1910s, and then you have this one from the 1920s. It looks like a soda shop type glass, and then this one at the end is my favorite. It looks like the Coke cans that we have now, and this is from the 1950s. And then you have the 4 coasters at the top here and some pretzels. And I almost don't want to use it, but I'm going to use it. I really, really like this one. So, got that one from my brother-in-law. And I have to tote all this stuff back up the stairs when I'm done. It was like a lot to bring this stuff downstairs. From my son, I got a sweater from Target that I thought is from A New Day. Really, really cute, nice color sweater. It's nice and soft. It has a hood on it. So he got me that. He also got me, I don't know where to put that. I'm gonna put that on the floor. He also got me that I have been asking for forever, or not wanting to actually buy myself, the Lancome, I don't know how to say it, Tint Idol, I don't know how to say it, foundation. And I will take it out of the box, and I had to hurry up and do this video so I can use my foundation. But I had been matched on Sephora at the 500 Suede W, and it looks like it's going to be a good match. So he got me that, and I am extremely happy about that. And I can't wait to use it. This is going right upstairs for me to use very soon, like tomorrow morning. And also from my son, he picked me up a jacket. He had this jacket himself that he picked up from Uniqlo, and I don't know, let's see if it has, it doesn't have like the line or something. It's just from Uniqlo, and it's like a little, I call it like a little teddy bear coat. This is navy blue, so dark it looks black, but it has this lining on the inside, and it's a men's jacket, which I don't mind at all. It has this lining on the inside of it that stops any air from coming through. So it's a small, like waist length jacket, but this thing keeps you so nice and warm, and it is nice and cozy. So he got me that as well. I'm trying not to forget anything from different people. And this I need to put back. I want to keep my stuff. I'll put it back when I'm done. I think the last items that I am going to be showing you, it's not, this is hardly last but not least, because there's still quite a few things to go, but everything else is from my husband. And the first thing I am going to show you he picked up for me is a plush animal hooded robe, and it has a little, I guess, what is that, a polar bear? I don't know what the animal is, but he picked that up for me. So a cute little robe. And let's see, sorry, I gotta reach over. Let's stick with along those lines of pajamas. He did go to Victoria's Secret, and he did pick me up a pair of pajamas, and these are the pajamas with the little lounger shorts. So you have a little plaid, sort of feels like a light flannel pair of shorts, and then a long sleeve t-shirt. So he picked me up that. And then also from Victoria's Secret, he picked me up the Victoria's Secret After Party Angel fragrance mist and the fragrance lotion, because he knows I like to layer these things. So he picked me up those. And these that I'm going to show you I have already worn. He did pick me up a pair of joggers from Adidas, which I thought were really cute. And these are called the post-game joggers, and I like that they have that little gray part at the knee and the 3 stripes on the side, and then it has the cuff at the bottom. These I wore on Christmas Day. We were doing pajamas, but these are so comfortable. I wore them on Christmas Day with like a t-shirt and was like snug as a bug in a rug. Also, let me put that back in there. Also from my husband, he went to Alex and Annie, and I had asked for this bracelet set. It was like a set of 3 bracelets. Of course they sold out of it because I think it was limited edition. So what he did instead was like just bought 3 bracelets and put them together. And he got me all of the bracelets are in rose gold. So he got me this one with these Swarovski crystals on it. And then he got the love bracelet. So it has the, that charm is not going, there we go. It has the love charm on it. And then he got me, which one do you call this one? It's called the Fortune's Favor bracelet. If I can get that charm, just, there you go. So this is the Fortune's Favor bracelet. So, and I have been wearing these all week, but I took them off last night. And I'm going to put them back on afterwards. So these are this is like my little bracelet set that was made by him. Also, he picked up for me, and I did this last minute. I'm like texting people like, I want this, never thinking that I was going to get it at all. But he did pick up for me the Tarte's Pro Remix palette. And I'm going to pop that out real quick and let you see it. I am going to definitely do a video on this one. But this is what it looks like. And I like that the case, I mean the little thing on the front changed. It reminds me of something like from when I was a kid. But it looks like that. It also looks like they took, to be honest with you, the old Pro palette case and just stuck a sticker on the front of it. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have that same little splash effect that you had on the outside, and these are the colors. This thing is so pretty. So he got me that. And he also picked up for me 2 of the Fenty Gloss Bombs. So I already have Fenty Glow, but Fenty Glow stays in my purse, so running a little low on it, so I asked him to pick me up another one in Fenty Glow. And he picked up one of the newer ones for me, and this one is in the shade Fussy. So if I hold them side by side, you can see the difference in the two. Fenty Glow and Fussy. That is it for makeup, because I was telling everybody I didn't want them to buy me any makeup for Christmas, and then at the last minute I was like changing my mind because it was something that I saw that I wanted. But for the most part, I'm happy that I didn't get a lot of makeup for Christmas, and I'm happy for the things that they picked up for me. We are down now to the last 2 items, and this one was like a complete surprise. This one we have to take back, however, because he got the wrong size shoes. At my job, they have decided to purchase all of our uniforms for us, and we all have to wear like the same color uniforms. All of our uniforms are now black, which I hate black uniforms. But I had mentioned that I needed some black shoes, so he picked up these. I told him I felt like I looked like I was working in the kitchen, so we might be changing these for another style. But I do appreciate, these are definitely the wrong size. They are too big. I do appreciate him going and picking me up an all black pair of shoes. But we're going to be exchanging those, at the very least, to a size that fits my feet. And last but definitely not least, I think that's where I am right now. I had mentioned to my husband that I think that this winter is going to be pretty bad, because we've been getting away with like decent winters with like not a lot of snow for like the past couple of winters. So I had been wanting these for a long time, and I mentioned that, listen, go ahead and buy these for me for Christmas. I want them for Christmas because I think the winter is going to be bad. So he picked me up a pair of Bing-Boos. Yay! This is like the biggest thing that I wanted for Christmas. So he did, and I told one of my patients that my husband, that I had asked my husband for these for Christmas, and she was like, oh, what a practical gift. Yes, this is definitely a practical gift, but definitely something that I really, really wanted for Christmas. Like, these made my Christmas to get these. And he got the ones with the Thinsulate in the inside of them, so they keep your feet warm at the same time. So waterproof and warm. So these are perfect for the snow, and I cannot wait to wear them. So that is it, you all. And I hope I'm not missing anything, but I think that's it. I think people were really good to me this Christmas. That is everything that I got for Christmas. Okay, so I did forget one more thing. I have been asking him to pick me up a new band for my Apple Watch, because that other one I freaking cannot stand. So I found one on Amazon that I want, that's like a dupe for the Coach watch band, and it looks like this. So you have flowers on, let's see, can I make it? Yeah, there we go. Flowers on this side. And if I can bring it to you, let me take this thing off and show you. It has flowers on both sides, and it has a buckle instead of that little button thingy. So that is what the band looks like, and I think it makes this, because I have the 42mm, I think it makes this one look a little bit more feminine. So I was happy to get that, and it is a leather band. So that is all. I was trying to make sure I didn't forget anything, but that is the last of my Christmas gifts, you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.